In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add eye-catching animations to Canva videos so you can make your content more engaging, more dynamic, and way more professional. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, ads, or presentations, adding the right animations can instantly level up your visuals. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to sync everything perfectly for smooth professional results. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First, open your video project inside Canva. Once you're inside your design, the easiest way to start adding movement is by animating text or individual elements. Click on any text box or graphic element in your video. As soon as you select it, look at the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. Canva will open the animation panel with multiple effects to choose from. Here you can experiment with animations like pop, bounce, tumble, neon, and stomp. Pop is great for subtle, clean entrances. Bounce adds playful energy. Tumble gives a more dramatic, rotating effect. Neon works really well for glowing textiles, and stomp creates bold, impactful motion. Click on any effect to preview it instantly. Canva shows you a live preview so you can see exactly how it looks before committing. Now let's move on to page animations. If you want the entire scene to animate instead of just one element, click outside of all elements on the page so nothing is selected. Then click Animate again in the top toolbar. This time you'll see page animation options. Here you can apply motion effects like match and move, slide, or fade. Match and move is especially powerful because it automatically creates smooth transitions between similar elements across pages. Slide is perfect for clean directional movement, and fade gives you a subtle professional transition. Choose the one that fits your video style and keep your branding consistent throughout. Next, let's add transitions between scenes. Go down to your timeline at the bottom of the screen. Between each page, you'll see a small transition icon. Click that icon to open the Transitions menu. Here you can add effects like wipe, flow, match and move, or dissolve. Wipe creates a sweeping motion across the screen. Flow feels smooth and modern. Match and move connects scenes seamlessly. Dissolve gives a soft fade between clips. Adjust the duration of the transition to control how fast or slow it plays. Now let's make things even more engaging by using animated elements. Go to the Elements tab on the left side. In the search bar, type phrases like animated sticker, motion graphic, or subscribe animation. Canva has a huge library of built-in animated graphics you can drag directly into your video. Once you add them, resize and position them wherever you want. These are perfect for call to action buttons, social media prompts, or decorative effects that grab attention. Finally, timing is everything. Even the best animations won't look good if they're not synced properly. Use the timeline at the bottom to adjust how long each element appears. Drag the edges of a clip or element to shorten or extend its duration. If you're working with music, try aligning animations with beats or transitions in the audio. This small detail makes your video feel polished and intentional instead of random. And that's it. That's how you add eye-catching animations to Canva videos step by step. Start with animating text and elements, add page animations, include smooth transitions, enhance with animated graphics, and fine-tune everything using the timeline for perfect timing. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.